let's see if we can get across to Sudarshan. Before that, as I was saying, there's a lot of companies coming out with rights issues. Rajiv Jain of Bajaj Finance joins in to talk about that. Rajiv, hi, morning. Tell us a little bit about the size and what you're planning to price the rights at.
So we filed a draft letter of offer for 750 crores of capital raise as a rights issue. The pricing, etc., will be a function of once we get the draft letter of offer approved, and post that the board will have to take a decision on that. So I think there's time for pricing, but clearly we're looking at raising 750 crores. That would take care of our growth needs for the next 2.5 to 3 years, and we'll be well capitalized to fund our growth from there on.
Morning, Rajiv. Can you just take us through why you needed to raise this capital? Is it just growth capital, and did you toy with other options like doing a QIP or any other equity instrument other than rights?
At this point in time, our tier 1 is at around 14.4%. We are mandated by the Reserve Bank to maintain 12%. We want to maintain comfortably at around 14%. So that's one of the purposes of raising capital. QIP or rights, on rights, the current promoter shareholders are very comfortable with the growth of the company and the growth plans of the company. They, over the last 2 years, have raised their stake from 51% to now 62%. So they continue to be excited about our growth prospects, and thus we're choosing to do rights. We hope.
How much dilution, though, Rajiv? How much dilution with the 750 crore rights?
That will be dependent on the overall pricing, I guess. So I think we'll have to wait for that.
Thanks, Rajiv. That's Bajaj Finance raising 750 crores of growth capital. Promoters do not want to dilute their stake any further from these levels, and therefore they chose the rights option. That stock should see some excitement and opening. Sudarshan's joined in. Pre-opening is done. 7 points up on the Nifty now at 56.35.